Here we go. Hi, everybody. How's it going today? Goodness. Ooh, I just sat down in water. Hey, stop it. Hi. There you go. You want something? Hang on. There, Mommy. Here you go. Want a hot dog? I'm coming. Hang on, you. Here you go, little one. Here, Mommy. Here, Cookie. Here you go. Hello, Savannah. Bandit. Hello. Here you go. There's Cookie. There we go. So I'm by myself tonight. Jim got an iron infusion today. And it's kind of... Oh, it's raining. It made him extra tired tonight, so he didn't feel like coming out. Hello. So it's just me and the little minions. Hey, be nice, Cookie. Okay? Don't act like that. There you go, baby girl. Here you go, buddy. Here, you want another cookie? Here you go. Go. There's somebody waiting patiently there. Yes. Here you go. There. That's Bandit. Yeah. Beautiful eyes, Bandit. Everybody's got the grouse. Goodness, is it because it's raining? Hey, they're not going to eat your cookies. You just eat your cookies and be nice. Here. Here, Bandit. Here, sweetheart. Come on. Come on. She's not going to hurt you. There, buddy. You're scared too. I'm sorry. There. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come in. Hey, Cookie. So let's see, what did we do today? He had his iron infusion this morning. I actually took today off from my regular work, and I just laid around the house. I actually took a 4-hour nap today while he took his first nap, and I caught up on a couple of my PBS shows that I watch. I like PBS Masterpiece. And we just got through watching some Big Bang Theory, and then we just watched the season finale of Chicago PD, and he just turned in. So he and Connor are in the bed. So he told me to come out here and do this, and we'll get this posted maybe later on this evening. So that's what we're going to do. So, not sure how many we got here. I think we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Come on. Here you go. Come on. Come on, Silly. Come on, baby. I know you're new. Yes. another one? I think I got like 8 or 9. It's there. So, I went online today and was looking at some of the comments, and we still appreciate everyone thinking about Jim and Jim's health. We haven't heard anything from his physician yet. I know that everyone doesn't watch the episodes every single night, so I just wanted to say we hope to get some kind of update next week. And when we do get updates, I'm sure he will pass them along. I did have a friend get in touch with me today about some stuff that was said on our Facebook page. I'm not going to go into full details, but there was also a comment out there about it. I don't think it was a troll, but I didn't see it on the Facebook page. By the time I got to the Facebook page, it was already had been removed by somebody. Maybe it was removed by Jim. I don't know. Anyway, they were questioning Jim standing up and feeding the raccoons that are down in the yard. They were stating that that was not his choice. Anyone that knows Jim, like I do, and his moderators, and his friends, and the people that have been watching him for a while, should know by now that Jim does what Jim wants to do, and Jim's not going to be told what to do. Jim's choice to stand up and go in the house and get pounds and pounds of hot dogs and feed them down on the lawn, that is his choice. When Jim chooses to get behind the camera and do the close-ups, and he wants to do the filming from behind the camera, he doesn't want to be in front of the camera, that is Jim's choice. So I am not influencing him at all. As a matter of fact, I ask him what he wants me to do, because this is his channel. This is not my channel. I am here for support for him. And for those of you that have questioned why he likes to stand up and feed down in the yard, if we had lots down in the yard and he could go down there and feed them, he would do that, but we don't have that right now. You want a hot dog or you want cookies? There you go. So, here you go, buddy. Come here, girl. But I want to thank you to the moderators for everything that you all have been doing since Jim's health crisis started back in December and January. He and I both appreciate it so much. You all only see maybe 15 minutes of our day, but there's a lot going on around here in regards to his health, and with the cats and with the raccoons. We're doing our best. That's all I can say. So, you want a hot dog or you want cookies? Here, buddy. That's a good girl. And I also wanted to say that we've had some requests for our home address. And per Jim's choosing, he does not want to give out our home address based upon what happened back in 2021. And from what happened in 2021, he no longer gives out his home address. Here, baby, I'll give you a cookie. and he's asked me not to give it out either. So my apologies. I have suggested a post office box, and he said that it would become overwhelming, and with almost 600,000 followers, we wouldn't be able to keep up with the mail, and we can't get a post office box that will only accept envelopes. They accept everything, and Jim has stated that he has more than enough stuff here in the house and raccoon stuff. So he does not want a post office box either. So I just wanted to let you know we appreciate all of the well wishes and the offers for sending stuff to us. But for now, he does not want to give out our home address because of what happened a couple of years ago here. So, and I can't blame him. I mean, when strangers show up at your door and just come in the house, and it's just not cool. So, anyways. Hello. Oh, you've got a tick, and there's no way I'm going to be able to get that out. It's right there in your ear. Oh, goodness. Maybe it'll work itself out. At least it looks like a tick. I'm not sure if it is. It's white. Oh, man. Oh, there was one more thing. Last night, I appreciate all the compliments on the name of Savannah. One of our new mothers that's here. She's new to the game. Hi, baby. But I appreciate all the new name suggestions also for the upcoming names, because we are expecting just like a plethora of babies. Probably within the next 4 weeks. Anywhere between June 1st and July 17th, we're expecting babies to start rolling in. We know they're running around, so they're somewhere. Hopefully they'll be here in the next couple of weeks. That'd be wonderful. I was looking back on some of the videos, and he had some videos in the past of where they were here in June. So hopefully they will. They didn't come till July last year. So hopefully they'll start coming in June. It's still cool though. It's 36 degrees right now, so maybe the mamas aren't letting them out of their dens. So, but when they come, we're going to be sure to film them. And we're going to do some more cleaning on the deck this weekend. We got the first coat of stuff off. I guess it's stuff. I'm not sure what it was. And I went and bought some more supplies today, and I'm going to hit it again tomorrow. And you want a cookie? And then we're going to put an eco-friendly, pet and child-safe sealant on the deck. And then we're going to put the swing back up here for those of you that remember his swing that he bought back in 2020, 21. A little bit. What you doing? You sure do look cute. You're still tiny as tiny can be. Yes, you are. You want a cookie? I know you love cookies. Your mommy loves cookies. So we're going to put the swing up. And I would really love to get a pool with the babies. I could change the water every day. But I would love to get one of those little small plastic pools and put it right here and just let everybody run around in it. I gotta ask him first. But I don't know if he's tried it in the past. He may have already tried it and he may nick the idea. But I'd love to get one of those pools because someone suggested it on the fans page. And I said, ooh, that would be a good idea. So we'll try it, and I'll ask him once the babies get here. So we'll see what he says, and I'll just run up to Walmart and I'll get one. And just bring it home maybe, and then see what he says. If not, we can let Don's grandchildren play in it or something. Anyway, so I think everybody's gone except for a little bit. So Scooter hasn't arrived, and so Scooter's not here, Furby's not here, Bandit's still here. Aren't you, Bandit? Yeah. I think everybody else has disappeared. It's cold and it's raining, so maybe they've, and Krabby didn't come tonight, so evidently she didn't want to get out in the rain either. But I'm going to call it a night, and we shall talk to you all on Saturday. So happy weekend. Everyone enjoy yourself. Everyone in the States, have a good long weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend. And we shall talk to you very soon. Okay? Thank you. Bye.